Navigation is based on internationally recognized terms, techniques, and conventions. A professional navigator should understand both their use and historical background. The idea of a single prime meridian is relatively recent. Until the early 19th century, cartographers used different meridians because longitude could not yet be measured accurately. Ptolemy measured longitude from west of the Canary Islands. Later, Pope Alexander VI drew a line in the Atlantic to divide Spanish and Portuguese territories. Other meridians were based on the Cape Verde Islands, the Isle of Fez, and various ports or capes. The London meridian was used as early as 1676 and gained importance with England's maritime power. Greenwich became dominant after the British Nautical Almanac appeared in 1767. Although Washington, D.C. was proposed as an American prime meridian in 1810, Greenwich was adopted as the international prime meridian in 1884. Charts are graphic representations of the Earth used for marine and air navigation. Nautical charts, paper or digital, show features important to mariners. Early charts existed by about 600 BC. In 1569, Gerardus Mercator introduced the projection that bears his name. Edward Wright later improved its mathematical basis, making it practical for chart making. The Mercator projection remains widely used in navigation. Sailing directions or pilots have existed since at least the 6th century BC. As exploration and trade expanded, navigational information was collected and published in greater detail. French routiers, English rudders, and Wagoner's Spiegel der Zeevaart were important examples. The compass is one of navigation's oldest tools. Norse and Chinese navigators used magnetic compasses at least by the 11th century. Improvements came with Lord Kelvin's dry card compass and the fluid-filled compass, standard from 1906. Understanding magnetic variation and deviation developed through the work of Halley, Flinders, Airy, and Kelvin. The gyrocompass became important with iron and steel ships. Foucault developed the basic gyroscope in 1852, while Sperry and Anschutz-Kampfe later produced practical electrical gyrocompasses. Today, ring laser gyrocompasses, digital fluxgate compasses, inertial systems, and satellite navigation are widely used, but the magnetic compass remains a backup. The log measures a vessel's speed. Early sailors estimated speed by observing objects moving past the ship. Later, a line with knots was used, giving rise to the term knot. Modern logs use mechanical, electronic, Doppler, inertial, or satellite-based systems. At sea, distance is measured in nautical miles, now defined as exactly 1,852 meters. Chart depths may be shown in meters, fathoms, or feet. A fathom equals 6 feet. Finally, sailings are mathematical methods used to determine course, distance, and position, including plane, traverse, parallel, middle latitude, Mercator, and great circle sailings.